Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fun and trendy accessory that adds a splash of color and personality to any outfit: socks. More specifically, we're featuring the delightful kikiya smiley face socks, which have captured hearts everywhere and are quickly becoming known as the best kids' socks on the market. So, let's jump right in. These kikiya socks are not just any ordinary socks. They're designed with creativity and comfort in mind. Each pack comes with 4 pairs of adorable socks adorned with smiley faces and colorful dot patterns, perfect for kids who want to express themselves in a fun and lively way. Whether they're headed to school, playing with friends, or just lounging around at home, these socks are sure to bring a smile to their faces. Let's talk about the quality. Made from a premium blend of 75% combed cotton, 15% spandex, and 10% polyester, these socks offer an incredibly soft and comfortable fit. The combed cotton is not only skin-friendly but also highly breathable, which means your little ones can wear them all day long without any discomfort. Plus, they feature reinforced heels to ensure durability, standing up to even the most active kids. Now, you might be wondering how to keep these vibrant socks looking fresh. Thankfully, caring for them is super easy. They are machine washable, so just toss them in the wash, and they'll come out looking as good as new, ready for another day of adventure. One of the best aspects of these socks is their versatility. Kids can mix and match them with different outfits. Pair them with shorts, dresses, or even under their favorite boots. The playful designs can complement almost any attire, adding a unique flair that kids will love. Not only are these socks a treat for your child, but they also make for a fantastic gift. Whether it's for a birthday, a holiday, or just because, these socks are an excellent way to show you care. Kids adore receiving fun and colorful accessories, and what better way to brighten their day than with a pack of these delightful socks? And here's the cherry on top. These socks are affordably priced at just $9.99 for a pack of 4 pairs. That's only $2.50 per pair. Given their quality, design, and comfort, they offer incredible value, making them accessible for every family. In conclusion, the kikiya smiley face socks are indeed the best kids' socks out there. With their bright and cheerful designs, top-notch comfort, and affordability, these socks not only make a fashion statement but also keep your kids' feet happy. So, if you're looking to add some fun to your child's wardrobe or searching for that perfect gift, these socks are the way to go. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting product reviews. Until next time, keep your feet happy and stylish.